It's 99 out of 100 times kid goes missing. The kid is with a parent or a relative.
What about the other time? Who is this? Will? Will?
Will? Will?
Who is it? What have you done to my boy?
What?
Give me back my son!
There's something happening here.
Maybe Will was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
What it is ain't exactly
And he
clear.
saw something that he shouldn't have.
There's a man with a gun over there,
She can't have gone far.
telling me I got to beware.
I think she knows what happened to him. Somehow, she's channeling him. Hiding from the bad man? She took us to his house, right?
Yeah, and he wasn't there.
But what if he was there? What if we just couldn't see him? What if he was on the other side? Upside down.
The Veil of Shadows is a dimension that is a dark reflection or echo of our world. It is a place of decay and death.
Shepard, can you hear me?
A plane out of phase. Something else in here. A place of monsters. It is right next to you and you don't even see it.
This man you saw in the woods, what do you look like?
I don't know. Barb! It was almost like it had these long arms and everything.
Didn't have a face. I thought she was crazy. Whatever it is, it can't hurt you.
Something happened. Something.
Who told you to be out there?
It's not Will.
That is not my son.
This whole time you were right.
I want to finish what he starts. The band! They're coming! Where is it?
I don't know. I don't see it.
Where's what?
How do I get to you? How do I find you? What should I do?